What's up, Pyros? I hope that everyone is doing well. I just got a shipment in a few hours ago from RKM, and this is basically all Salute cakes. 1.4 Pro, and this is a case of Thunder Kings. 25 shots, instant. So this is it looks very small, but oh my goodness, this is 25 shots in about 4 seconds. It comes ready for your e-match if you want that, or it does have the Visco fuse if you want to light up this way. Let's see if we can get you guys a video of that right now. So this is Light Up Your Night. This is 4-to-1 on the case, and it is a mix of effects. It starts out with peonies, and then it also has crackle, but it comes ready for your e-match, so it's pretty much instant. So on your Cobra, whatever fire system you got, this is instant. It does have a nicer bore, maybe about an 1/8 bore. Anyway, let's take a look at that video. Next, we got this Howitzer Barrage 4-to-1. Nothing but salutes. Again, this is all 1.4 Pro, and these are 1.2 inch bores. You can do your e-match. Like I said on the other ones, you can do the e-match right here. You can also do the fuse. You got the Visco right here. But you can also tie all 4 together. So anyway, it's all Salute. Let's go take a look at the video. Thanks. So next is this case from Night Owl. It is 300 shots of red, white, and blue Comet Salutes. It is 2 cakes, 150 shots each, and basically you connect these guys, but you'll hook up your e-match to this guy right here. But man, this is an awesome cake. Let's see if we can get a video of the salutes. So in the back is some of the cakes that I'm hoping to light up during the summer, prior to or after the 4th of July. Anyway, please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Bye.